Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really easy Christmas freehand nail design. So I'm going to use white by Creative Play called I Blanked Out, red by China Glaze called Sexy Silhouette, green also by China Glaze called I'm With the Lifeguard, and hollow by Color Club called Don't Harp on It. So I already painted my nails with the white polish, and then using the green, I'm going to do kind of semicircles. This is a really easy design. You can use any colors. I wanted to use more pearlier, lighter colors. You know, you can use any colors. It's the season to use green and red, whatever way or colors you want. And then on the top of my nails, I'm going to apply the red. I just thought this was really cute. It's really easy and simple to do. Then I'm just going to add dots of the hollow. I just thought adding dots of the hollow is just so Christmassy, shiny, something shiny and fun. You don't have to add the hollow, but I just thought it was really cute and it brought it all together. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. You see, I showed you really easy and simple holiday design. I hope you liked it. Here's the finished look. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.